Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frame for Gatetoken. So, as always, our key level criteria. What we look for is swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first key level that we can spot, which is obvious, is our swing high. As always, let's color coordinate it so we know which time frame our key level came from, as our pink line here comes from the monthly time frame. So what else do we see? Well, we can see a support level here where price came down, had a reaction from, and reversed drastically, which is obvious to spot on our chart at a glance. So we notice that there are some more levels in here, but let's head over to the weekly so we can see more data plotted on the chart. Now, here on the weekly chart, what do we see? Well, if we line up our cursor right here, we notice multiple reactions to this level. So let's go ahead and draw in a zone. Here is our weekly zone, and we color coordinate it, and that's why we color it purple. So we can see a reaction from the wick here. We've seen a fake out just with these three candles, but then we've seen it react to our monthly level and reversed, came back up to our weekly level. We've seen a reaction here, price broke through, and we've seen a reaction here, price broke through, came back, and a reaction here. So price has been resistance and support very slightly before initially just breaking right through. So what else can we find on our chart? Well, if we look at the more recent time, we notice that price established a support level right here. So let's go ahead and plot this on our chart. As always, color coordinate it to the time frame zone you are in. As price came down, we've seen long wicks reacting to the level and reacting to our monthly level, which more long wicks and bullish momentum started rising. As price reversed from our other key weekly zone, we've seen it come down and react with this long wick candle, almost forming another level of support. So we have two most recent levels here. As price comes to this level, we know that it has reversed slightly from this level, so there is demand at this level. As price comes back down, we can expect to see a reaction here, and we can also expect to see a reaction here if price breaks right through, as this long wick did here. But this second long wick wasn't able to get low enough as demand outweighed supply and brought price back up. So let's zoom out again and see what else we can find. We notice a bit of a level right here, which this level is right below our monthly level. As the pink line plotted on this chart here, that's where price is reacting from on the monthly. But we notice all these long wicks coming down. So if price breaks our key level, this monthly key level, we can expect to see reactions from this weekly level that is clearly shown on the chart here. As we see candle closes at the top of this level and candle closes inside of this level, with these long wicks reacting to the level before it drastic moves to the upside. As price came up and reversed, we established support at this key level with a drastic move to the upside. As price came down, it found support at this same key level and a drastic move, on this bearish momentum candle, we've seen the long wick react at the same key level. So we have multiple reactions to this level. Now, if price were to fall from this level, there are multiple areas where we can expect a reaction from price. So let's zoom out again. Now that we have these key levels on our chart, we have an idea where price may react to. So what else can we find? I'm curious in this area over here. I'm trying to find if there's any obvious levels, and I can sort of see one. If we place a line here and we mark it up as our weekly level, what do we notice? Well, the first thing I see is a reaction from this wick. As price broke through and came down, it found support at this level, as we can see from these multiple wicks and candle closes. As it created a trading range, a channel from our monthly level and now our weekly level at the bottom. As price held here with the long wicks, long wick, we've seen a reaction from the level which broke through, and it turned into resistance here and these long wicks here, showing a reaction to the same key level, which was once resistance, turned support, turned resistance. So I believe that's all our key levels plotted on the chart here. If you guys enjoyed this video and got anything out of it, if you got some value out of the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. We're uploading daily videos, and we hope you guys stay tuned.